Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a how to run a successful fan page part 2. And I've done this in the past, so I decided I would do a part 2 because a lot of people said they want newer updates for, I guess, 2021 fan pages. So yeah, I decided to do a part 2, and the link for the first part will be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch it and get some extra tips from there as well. So in the first part, we talked about having a simple username, something people can remember, and some more tips, so you can just go ahead and watch the video. So I've made my account, and now we're going to start giving tips. So the first tip I have is to try to give tutorials when you first start. So basically, say you make a coloring by yourself, and if someone asks for a tutorial, try to give it so you already set a good impression on other people, and you're not just known as this fan page doesn't give tutorials. And I know you might not want to, but if you can, try to help out. If someone asks for a font or a filter, then try to help out so people just have a good impression on you. And if you don't end up making a coloring and you use someone else's coloring, make sure to give theme credits or coloring credits in your bio. So you can simply just write CC, which stands for coloring credits, and at whoever. I'm just going to write my username as an example. Then you can also put theme credits, and at whoever, I'm just going to put my username as an example. So just make sure to give credits for everything. And there are a lot of things you might think, why do I have to give credits for this? But because you've just started and you give credits, it sets a good impression. Because if you don't give credits, surprisingly, people are really protective of what's theirs. And if you don't give credits, even if it's just something online, and if you don't give credits, then they might get mad. And a lot of stuff happens when people get mad. They try to ban you, they block you, they report you. You worked for it, you want credits, it's fine. The second tip I have is to post at least 1 to 3 times a day, because the more you post, so when you first start a fan page, you're not just going to go viral with one post, say every 2 days. So the more you post, the more chances you have of going viral, because even if one of those videos go viral, you have a good start. So try to post as much so you have more chances of getting followers or likes or just being known. So try to post 1 to 3 times a day, and then you can start to reduce it once you start to get bigger, which that's what I do. I post once a day, but in the beginning I posted a lot. And don't overpost, because what happens if when you post, say 7 times a day, every hour you post, you will eventually start to lose interest in posting, because you're editing so many of these videos, and then you will just start to lose interest in editing, and you might end up quitting. So just try to post maximum 3 times, and don't have huge breaks in between your posting. You post today, the next post is 5 days later. Try to post at least 1 to 3 times a day. The third tip is to don't hate on other people. Again, this is to do with the good impression thing. So if you hate, people will automatically know you as this fan page hates on other people. You might think, oh, I have 0 followers, I can make a video hating on people, right? No, because most likely that video is going to go viral, and people will know. You always videos you don't want to have to be viral end up going viral, which is usually videos where you're oh, I don't like this person's theme, or this person is so rude, and then people just automatically have a bad impression on you or of you. So don't hate on other people. If you might not like something about someone, you don't need to post a video. You can just think that way. You don't need to tell all the fan pages or the whole TikTok community about it. So the fourth one is to not always use the same hashtags. So I'm going to go ahead and do an example of that right now. Okay, so over here I have a video I edited for my ads share account. I'm just going to use that as an example. And the question is, if you had a fandom, what would you name it? So when you're writing your caption, don't always use the same hashtags. So for example, since this is about if you had a fandom, what would you call it? Try writing whatever you want to write, and then use hashtags related to the video. For example, fandom, name, I don't know, like viral. But don't always use the same hashtags because that can get you shadow banned. So try not to use the same hashtags and use hashtags related to your video. For example, when you go like hashtags, there's a bunch of hashtags that are popular. They might be like, I don't know, something like this, you know? So don't use them because it's not related to your video, and then people who go on that hashtag will see your video, and you know, it's just kind of confusing and it's not really going to do much. So yeah, the fourth or fifth tip I have for you is to use shorter videos. So when you're posting a video, even if your video is like 20 seconds long and you want to make it long, it's fine. But once you use shorter videos, say you use a video that's, say, 1 second or so, then when someone is reading the question, the video is going to keep on repeating over and over because it's very short. And that will make TikTok think that people are watching your video more than once, and, you know, it'll like be exposed to more people. Because TikTok will obviously think people are watching this video repeatedly, so there's obviously something good about it. So try to use shorter videos, which I'm not very good at because I always forget to crop my videos, but it's fine. Before a beginner fan page, try to use shorter videos so it's like people like watch it. So you can make it 1 second. You can literally make it 1 second if you want. It's whatever you want to do. So the sixth tip I have for you is to not quit or just take a break out of nowhere. And it can be like overwhelming posting every single day. But if you do end up quitting, then, so you usually might quit if you are like posting a lot on your TikTok account and you just get bored of it, which that's why you should only post 1 to 3 times. But don't just quit out of nowhere or take a break because you're not getting any like exposure for the first 2 to 3 days. So try to post, and one of those videos might go viral. But if you want to take a break, you can like make a video saying just taking a break so people know you're still there and it's not like your followers won't completely unfollow you. So, you know, just don't take a break out of nowhere. You can tell people. I get if it's like you're stressing out over your account, it's fine, but try not to. So the seventh tip I have for you is to ignore hate. So a lot of people will like comment like, oh, your theme is so disgusting, or your coloring is so bright, which those things, like if you actually think about it, they're not that big of a deal. If someone doesn't like your theme and you know you worked hard on it, so you don't need to like be sad or quit over someone hating, because, you know, like why would you? They're just a person sitting behind a screen and just hating on you. So yeah, I usually, if I do get any hate comments, I just laugh at them, because like they're wasting so much of their time to comment on all of these videos, which is just like boosting the algorithm for me. So, you know, I guess it's fine. And the last tip I have for you is to not restart your account too much. So for example, a lot of people, whenever they post a new theme, new coloring, new like design, new era or whatever, they always tend to restart their account. And what happens is, say you have 7,000 followers and you restart your account, you're gonna have zero videos with 7,000 followers, and a lot of people tend to unfollow then because they think you quit or you have no posts and you're not active. So don't restart your account. You can stop posting if you're making a new theme or something, but don't restart, because then a lot of people do also think, why does this person have 7,000 followers with no posts? And you might get hate for that too. So don't restart your account too much. Like, I've done it before, but don't restart it too much. Like before, I used to restart my account every single theme. So try not to do that. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learned some new tips and tricks from this video. And if you would like to check out part 1, it's in the description box below. And please make sure to leave any other video ideas or vlog ideas you have for me. Bye!